Welcome back, everybody, to another video. This is CryptoKoinz. I've been excited. I've been watching crypto, although I haven't been posting lately. I've been excited about all the things that are happening with BlackRock and mass adoption for listing ETFs, spot ETFs in the stock market, such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. And we are seeing a surge of money coming into both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, I do have some money invested in Ethereum. I do not own any Bitcoin. And the reason why I'm making these videos is because I think right now it is a great time to start reconsidering investing in some of these names. I was extremely bullish on DeFi, which I still am, and Ethereum is the base of DeFi. So overall, at this moment, during these turbulent times, I'm investing more on the safer approach and going with Ethereum. Now, this article was released yesterday. Crypto surge as BlackRock Ethereum ETF plan is confirmed. So it is confirmed that BlackRock is filing for an ETF, a spot Ethereum ETF, and BlackRock does not waste their time. They do not waste their resources. I think they have like a 99.9 or 99% approval ratio from all the ETFs they've launched in the past several years, over like 500 approvals and one denied. So it's very likely that they will get approved. Let's go over the article to see where we stand with this ETF. This was released yesterday. Bitcoin BTC has again been making headlines and capturing the attention of crypto enthusiasts and traders. The popular digital currency has recently surged to levels not seen in almost 18 months. It was pretty wild. Bitcoin almost hit 40,000 in a blink of an eye. Since taking out the 32,000 level of resistance near the end of October, the price of one Bitcoin has surged to $38,000. The last time the Bitcoin price traded near this level was over a year ago in May 2022. Now, we're somewhat of a stagnant bear market or just sideways market due to the inflation. And I don't think people are realizing, I think all-time high for Bitcoin was somewhere near 70,000. And we're basically halfway back on recovery at 38,000 during this market that is not moving. This is huge. This is why I'm excited. This is why I had to get up here and make this video. I'm going to be covering a lot more of, crypto bullish catalyst, just like this one. Bitcoin hitting 30,000 during this sideways market, during this inflationary period. And next thing you know, by the time the market rallies, guaranteed Bitcoin is going to be around 50 to 60,000, almost at all-time highs by the time the market actually starts rallying. So what does that mean? Bitcoin is going to break 100,000. It's going to hit at 150, possibly 200,000 in the next bull run. I mean, hands down, it's just going to shatter previous levels. Guaranteed Bitcoin will be around 50,000 to 60,000 before we get another bull market. And these bull markets last several years. So it's just going to shatter 100,000 in my opinion. Bitcoin and another leading popular digital currency, Ethereum, have also been in the headlines for reasons other than price surges. The world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, recently filed for an Ether exchange traded fund. This move created further optimism that the crypto markets could see greater access, more significant institutional involvement, and liquidity. Now, the normal person who has a 401k or the normal person that is invested in the market or has some sort of retirement plan or is a long-term investor who does not want to deal with the complexities of digital wallets and everything that comes with crypto or exchanges potentially blowing up, they're going to buy into Ethereum and Bitcoin and their trusted brokers that are insured. So this is the safest way they will be able to get involved, potentially pay higher fees, but they'll have that peace of mind and they'll have skin in the game. Super bullish. So as the price leading cryptocurrencies trade higher, in part due to the potential of a regulated exchange traded product tied to the spot price of Ethereum, it's worth looking closer at some individual stocks tied to the digital currency and also noting where the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, stands with regards to approving a Bitcoin ETF. Now, I guess they're going to talk about some miners or some crypto-related stocks. I am also invested in one of these miners. So I am bullish overall. My biggest positions in my stock portfolio are just crypto related assets. I'm just overall, as a smaller guy, that's where I see the opportunity. And this is where I'm invested. I'm also invested long bonds. So that's pretty much my play for the next several years. BlackRock takes steps towards launching Ethereum ETF. BlackRock has officially confirmed its plans for a spot Ethereum exchange traded fund ETF through a filing with the SEC. The filing submitted by Nasdaq on behalf of BlackRock proposed an ETF named the iShares Ethereum Trust. This move signifies BlackRock's intention to expand its ETF offering beyond Bitcoin, marking a significant step in its cryptocurrency investment strategy. The filing comes after BlackRock registered the corporate entity iShares Ethereum Trust in Delaware, hinting at the imminent submission of a spot Ethereum ETF filing. Several financial firms, including BlackRock, have shown interest in cryptocurrency-backed ETFs, with at least 5 firms vying for SEC approval for a spot Ethereum ETF, according to Bloomberg's James Seyffert. All the big boys are in the race to release a spot ETF, Ethereum or Bitcoin product. And the one that hits the market first is the one that's going to get that market share. They're going to flood into those ETFs. Speculation is growing about the SEC approving a spot Bitcoin ETF. Analysts have estimated a January approval at the earliest. That's in about 2 months, emphasizing the SEC's cautious stance. Recent speculation suggests potential decisions on applications for BlackRock and Fidelity. But the SEC extended the timeline for the ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF to January 10th. So as speculation grows and the price for several popular digital currencies surge, here's a list of 4 crypto-related stocks that could see rapid price appreciation should breaking news occur. So they're suggesting some crypto-related stocks for those of you who like to play the stock side. Let's see what this article says here and look at this list. At the top, we have Coin, which is Coinbase. We have Hood, which is Robinhood. We have Mara Digital. We have MicroStrategy. We have Nvidia. We have Overstock, PayPal, Riot. This is the one I own. Stronghold Digital Mining, and Silvergate Capital. All of these stocks have exposure to crypto. So as more adoption comes and more of these products are being released to the masses, you're going to see an increase of value in these stocks. So pretty nice, neat list there. I didn't even see this before reading it. Oh, and here we go. 4 crypto-related stocks to keep an eye on. Basically, we saw the bigger list. Here, they're narrowing it down why these are the top 4. Let's see what they have to say. Mara is a Las Vegas-based digital asset technology company. The company specializes in blockchain-based mining and produces digital assets such as Bitcoin. Shares of the crypto company has skyrocketed this year, up about 180%. However, the stock has failed to join the latest crypto uptrend and, over the previous 3 months, fell almost 36%. Mara is a crypto miner. We're going to have the Bitcoin halving next year as well. We're going to have more bullish catalysts, people adopting, and ETFs. I mean, this is a great time to keep an eye out and start investing in crypto. MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is a global provider of enterprise analytics software and services. MicroStrategy is actively involved with Bitcoin, with like Michael Saylor constantly averaging down. He's bullish until the grave comes. You know, he is an advocate for Bitcoin for good reason. Holding and acquiring the cryptocurrency as part of its strategic investment strategy. As November 1st, 2023, MicroStrategy possesses 158,400 Bitcoins, acquiring an average purchase price of $29,609.65 per Bitcoin, resulting in a total investment of almost $7 billion. And right now, as crypto is rallying, he's 100% positively profitable at this point. And he did not get shaken off when Bitcoin went to 15,000. He held steady, and he is a bullish till the end of his time. He's a big advocate of crypto and Bitcoin, and I think he is going to be a poster child of someone who strongly believed in Bitcoin and crypto and is going to be sought out as a genius for holding strong. We also have Coinbase. I did see articles previously about Coinbase and BlackRock working together to provide some other products. So I think Coinbase is also a big player here. Coinbase Global is a major cryptocurrency exchange offering tools for trading over 200 cryptocurrencies. Coin shares have performed exceptionally on the year by any standard, up almost 163% and recently rallying double digits off key supports in the 70s. However, analysts are not bullish on the stock with a consensus holding rating and a price target of $75.64, predicting almost 19% downside. Now, this is interesting that they have this for crypto-related stocks to keep an eye out, and then they have a bearish outlook on coin, which is interesting. When this stock hit the markets and it IPO'd, it hit the markets around like $200 to $300 a share, so down significantly for those early buyers. But I do think that we're gonna see Coinbase trade over 100 and stay and hold over 100 once this rally starts. I don't think this is accurate, but for some reason they have it here, and then they have a bearish outlook, which is conflicting. I don't know, but regardless, I am bullish as well on coin. Now, Riot Platforms is one that I've traded plenty of times in the past and made money. I was buying Riot when it was below $1 before the pandemic. Now, have I just held and not traded? I mean, we would have been talking about a completely different animal right now. I did trade it. I did make a lot of money with Riot. And I should have just held that position. I'm now averaging into Riot now that it's trading higher and not selling and actually buying the shares. I played the options and I played the stock. Now I'm just buying the stock and I have a little bit of options, but not much. Riot is a US blockchain technology company that strives to be the premier provider of Bitcoin mining services in North America. The company offers cryptocurrency mining hardware, hosting services, and proprietary software. Shares of Riot have impressed this year, to say the least, up 205%. However, the stock has failed to catch a bid off recent sector headlines and has fallen almost 32% over the previous 3 months. Now, BlackRock also has bought shares and bought into a position with Riot. So, super bullish on Riot. Riot was trading below $1 before the pandemic and rallied up to like $70, $80 in the middle of all this, free money. At the moment, it's trading around $10. Very volatile. This is extremely risky, and this is not for your average investor, but I am averaging into it now. My average cost, I think at the moment, is around $10, $11, and being active with Riot on a weekly basis. I'm just buying $100 a week on Riot. I'm very interested on the activity and the things that are happening right now in crypto. If you guys like this video, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I want to cover a lot more exciting things. I've been having a lot of things happening in my personal life that are positive, that are good, that are taking up my time. But I am seeing the tide turning here. And I think next year it's going to be very explosive for those who stay strong and are believers. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you very much, guys. And I'll catch you on the next one.